Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So basically this is not specific to color variants only. If you have any other variant name, then still you can separate the products on the basis of that variant name. So right here I have taken the example of color variants. So first example, I have a product and it has multiple colors. So you can see that we have this color on the product page, but on the collection pages I can see that I don't have all the colors displayed for each product. So I will show you step by step that how you can display all those color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So basically this video is specific for craft theme. If you have any other theme, then I have already published a lot of videos, so I will be providing you the link below in the description for all the themes which I have published. If you still don't able to find, then you can ask me. I will create a new video for you, or maybe help you out in solving the problem according to your theme. This code is also valid for all the collection pages. For example, this is one of the collection page and I have multiple collections. So on all those collection pages also, we can actually separate the products on the basis of variants. So if you need any further customizations, so you can directly ask me. I will create a solution for you. So let's go ahead step by step. So firstly, you should go back to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have installed craft theme. So we have a 15.2.0 version. If you have any other version of this theme, then still this code will support. And firstly, you should click on these three dots, and here we have to create a duplicate copy of this theme, because later on if you are making mistake or creating any problem, so you can roll it back to its original version. So once you are duplicating it, then again you need to click on these three dots and click on edit code, and here you will be finding some folders and files. So we will be doing everything step by step. I have already given the documentation link below in the description, so you should download the documentation and then you should follow accordingly. So once you are downloading the code, you will find all these three files. You should open document.txt, and inside of this document.txt you will find all the steps, and I have already mentioned everything clearly. So the first step is create new snippet color dash variant. So let me copy this and go back to this screen and click on snippets, click on add a new snippet and paste that name here, and then click on done. Once you are done with this, then again go back to the documentation. We have the second step, which is create another new snippet, which is color dash card dash product. So you should copy it, go back, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, and then click on done. So now we have created two empty files, and I have already attached the code, which is color-variant.txt. So you should open this code, copy this complete code, and then paste it inside of this file, which is color-variant.liquid. So I'm going to paste it right here, click on save, and then you should close this file. Again go back to this folder and open color-card-product.txt. So you should copy this complete code and go back to this empty file and paste that code here, and then click on save. And you can close this file also. Go back to the documentation, and we have the third step, which is go to sections, open main-collection-product-grid.liquid. So let me copy this name and search it right here, and you will find out that under the sections we have main-collection-product-grid. So inside of it we are going to find card-product. So let me copy this, go back here, and using Control F or maybe Command F, you will able to find it out. And here it is highlighted, so you need to replace it with color-variant. So let me copy this, and then after you should remove it and replace it with color-variant. So afterwards, then after you should go back to the documentation again, and we have the final and last step, which is remove li tag around the card product render component. So that means this is the component, and around it we have li tag. So you should remove this li tag and also closing tag, this one, and then after you can save the changes. So make sure that you are following the steps very closely. Once you are done with everything, then now you can refresh this page. Here we go. Now you can see that we have refreshed the page, and here we have all the color variants displayed for each specific product. So you can see that how beautiful is it now. Earlier we had only specific products and only one color was displaying, and now you can see that we have multiple colors of each product or displaying on the collection pages. So that's how you can actually solve this problem and attract your customer to buy one of them. So you can implement this feature. If you are facing any kind of issues in that, you can directly ask me. I will help you out in that. I have already given the contact details below in the description, so you can ask me if you have any doubt or you have any problem with the code. So if you have any new section to create or maybe new feature to create in your Shopify store, then still you can contact me. I will help you out in solving that. So if you have a new store to create, maybe you want further customizations into your new store, or maybe you need a further improvement, so I'm ready to help you out in doing all those things. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok, and you can also join WhatsApp community group. So there I mostly published a lot of content, so you will be getting a lot of things over there. So for this specific thing, if you are exploring other collections, you will see that on other collections also we have multiple colors displaying. Can you see? So this is really a beautiful feature which you can implement it into your store. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.